Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to reset all settings without erasing data in this device. So if you do the factory reset like that, it will erase all your personal information like the email address or the photos, videos like that. So let me show you how to reset all settings without erasing data. Go to settings, scroll down. Here you can see the option general management. Tap on this one. Again scroll down, tap on reset. So here you can see some reset options. Here you can see the option reset all settings. If you select this one, it will reset your mobile network settings. It will reset the Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, that settings. Okay. Now tap on the option reset all settings. You can see the message. This will reset all the settings on your phone except security settings, language settings, accounts, personal data, settings for downloaded apps. So tap on the option reset settings, then draw the pattern, tap on reset. Resetting device to reset settings, please wait. Now the device will restart. Just wait for a few seconds to restart our device. Yeah, you can see our device is successfully restarted. So simply in this way we can reset all settings without erasing data in this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.